Hello Rave Nation, this is Scott Dorn with Spectrum Industries. The unit that you're looking at here is Spectrum's Pivot Premier. So this is one of our newest lecterns. It's available in a 48 and a 60-inch width. It's got a nice decorative front panel. Serves as both a modesty panel and also can be used to mount a school's logo. The unit's adjustable height, and you'll notice that at this point there's not a cord that's plugged in. So this unit can be used completely unplugged. It features an optional rechargeable battery pack so that you can use this and move over to student groups for project-based and active learning environments. It also features an optional 6RU rack mount unit. So if you do have AV equipment you need to mount, you can use that. The 60-inch wide still provides a nice amount of legroom, so you can use it for an instructor's workstation. This product also features several cutout options for the work surface and power options, so you can feature AC and USB power. And this and other products are available from Spectrum Industries. For more information, go to www.spectrumfurniture.com.